Hi everyone! This video shows how to quickly cook garlic soup. Everything we need is here. We need a large pot with a lid, water, a grater, one head of garlic, a potato, a pinch of salt, a pinch of ground black pepper, a pinch of ground caraway seeds, a piece of bread, it can also be stale, a little butter, a knife, and a plate. What's missing here right now is a spoon, but the soup can theoretically be eaten without one, and a wooden spoon which is better for stirring than a regular spoon. I'll be using both of these later as well. First, we pour water into the pot and let it heat up. We also use the lid so the water boils as quickly as possible. While the water is heating, we peel the entire head of garlic, all of the cloves. After peeling the garlic, we can continue by preparing the potato. We rinse the potato and cut it into at least 4 pieces. Cutting it up helps it cook faster. We also rinse the garlic. Then we crush or grate the garlic on a grater, for example, onto a plate. If you like garlic, you can add more cloves. It's better to rinse the garlic off the grater before it dries. By now the water has boiled, so we can add the potato and the crushed garlic. Now we let the soup cook for about 40 minutes. The cooking time mainly depends on when the potato is fully cooked. In the meantime, we can do something else. After about 40 minutes, the broth is ready. We just need to season it with salt, ground black pepper, and ground caraway seeds. Pour the hot broth into a plate with the bread and a piece of butter. The garlic soup is now ready. If you want more videos with quick recipes and no unnecessary talking, subscribe, like, and leave a comment.